Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back with another important and short lecture which is about some important terms, and that is the difference between jail, prison, cell and lockup. So to know about the difference between these terms, stay focused with me till the end of this video lecture. So let's begin with the jail. Jail is a building which consists of a lot of cells where different categories of criminals are incarcerated, like under trial, awaiting for parole, etc. Jail consists of criminals who are sentenced for a short term of imprisonment. Jails are usually under the administration of the local government. Now let's know about the prison. What is prison? Prison is a building which consists of a lot of cells where serious and habitual criminals are incarcerated. It consists of criminals who are sentenced for a long term of imprisonment. Prisons are institutional facilities under the jurisdiction of the state or federal government. But it depends upon the law of a state. Sometimes prison also comes under the jurisdiction of the local government. And now what is cell? Cell is a small room in prison or jail where criminals or suspects are held. It is basically the unit of the prison or jail. Now last but not the least, what is lockup? Lockup is a cell usually in a police station where alleged criminals are held prior to their court cases. It is a place where police do initial interrogation and take confession from the suspect or accused and then put the case before the court. And now again, let's know about the difference collectively in a quick way. Jail is composed of a lot of cells. It contains criminals of different categories like under trial, petty offenses and public disorder, etc. It contains criminals of a short term of imprisonment, and it comes under jurisdiction of the local government. While as far as prison is concerned, so it is also having a lot of cells, but comparatively jail, it is having serious or habitual criminals, those who are involved in heinous offenses, and it includes those criminals who are having long term of imprisonment, and here it comes under the jurisdiction of a local government as well as federal government. As far as cell and lockup are concerned, so cell is a small room in prison or jail where criminals or suspects are held, while lockup is usually found in police station where alleged criminals are held prior to their court cases. So these terms are very important. So I hope the confusion which these terms have created might be clear now, and if you people have still any confusion, so you can ask me questions in the below comment section as well. And if you didn't subscribe my channel, so do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well. So thank you very much and stay focused with me.